Hi, I'm Leanne, and today I'm reviewing the Ruibo Baggy Rack for food prep. So this device allows you to hold a baggie upright while you fill it with snacks or use it for food prep. To use the stand, you take a baggie and you slip it into the arm on either side of the stand. The stand works for any size bag because the green arms are adjustable. You can see here that I'm using a small one and a large one. I've loaded all kinds of food into these bags. I've done raw food, dry food, different snacks for my kids, or even sugar and flour that I want to store. They're very easy to use and they can hold anything easily in the stands. One feature I really like about these bag holders is that they lay completely flat for storage. So you can lay them in your kitchen drawer without taking up space. They also have this rubberized ring on the bottom so that when you're using them to pour food, they don't slip around, they stay still. They're adjustable to any height and they can go in the dishwasher. These baggie holders come in a pack of 4. They do everything I expected them to do, and it's definitely a product that I would recommend.